Let's do the math. Current Earth mass, 1 Earth. New Earth mass, 10 Earth's radius stays the same. What does that mean? Surface gravity increases from 1 g to almost 3 g. Escape velocity jumps from 11.2 km to over 22 km. The atmosphere thickens, the stakes rise. Earth becomes a super Earth without changing its shape. Scene 2. Walking becomes a workout. With 3x gravity, a 60 kg human now feels like 180 kg. Walking becomes laborious. Running? Nearly impossible. Joints deteriorate faster. Bones fracture easily. Humans would need to evolve stockier, more muscular bodies, or wear powered exosuits just to move. Children might struggle to grow. Elders might not survive the strain. Earth becomes a world of strength. Scene 3. Our cities collapse. Most of today's buildings, bridges, and skyscrapers are designed for 1 g. Under 3 g, structures sag under their own weight. Roads crack. Elevators fail. Aircraft can't generate enough lift. Civilizations would rebuild everything with new materials, stronger foundations, and underground construction. Even trees would evolve thicker trunks or never grow tall again. Scene 4. The air becomes heavy. Gravity pulls not just on your body, but on the atmosphere. With stronger pull, the atmosphere becomes denser and thicker. Pressure at sea level increases dramatically. Oxygen is compressed, easier to breathe, but toxic at high levels. Sound travels faster, but with distortion. Skies darken, sunsets redden, and storms intensify. A denser atmosphere also traps heat, potentially creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Earth becomes hot, heavy, and humid. Scene 5. Water, oceans, and megawaves. Oceans would become deeper, heavier, and more compact. Tides become smaller, but waves hit harder. Underwater pressure increases. Deep sea life becomes even more alien. Rivers erode land faster. Evaporation slows, affecting rainfall. Coastal ecosystems collapse. Inland areas become more stable, but less biodiverse. Water still flows, but it feels heavier. Scene 6. A new biosphere emerges. Life adapts. Insects shrink or disappear. They rely on air pressure to breathe. These birds evolve shorter wings or lose flight entirely. Land animals grow dense, powerful bodies. Trees grow wide, not tall. Humans, if still dominant, might look like compact tanks built for survival. Alternatively, we may retreat into domed cities, space stations, or orbiting rings, escaping gravity's grip. Scene 7. Space travel becomes nearly impossible. Escape velocity has doubled. Launching a rocket from this super Earth would require more fuel, more energy, more risk. Satellites would fall faster. Space stations would need to orbit higher. Moon missions? Delayed indefinitely. Earth becomes a gravity prison, locking us down unless we develop nuclear propulsion, space elevators, or off-world launch bases. The stars feel further away than ever. Scene 8. The flow of time itself changes. According to Einstein, stronger gravity slows time. On this heavier Earth, time would tick fractionally slower than on the Moon or Mars. Atomic clocks would notice the difference. Deep inside the planet, time would move even slower than at the surface. It's negligible for daily life. But for interplanetary explorers, it adds up. Earth becomes a temporal island in the ocean of space-time. Scene 9. Climate chaos and plate tectonics. More mass equals more internal heat equals hyperactive geology. Earthquakes become stronger. Volcanoes erupt more frequently. Plate movements accelerate, mountain ranges crumble or rise faster. Combined with the greenhouse atmosphere, Earth might resemble a young Venus. Volatile, hot, shifting constantly. A world always changing, never resting. Scene 10. The future of life on a super-Earth. In the long run, humanity would adapt biologically, evolve new technologies, redefine architecture, reconsider its relationship with nature, or leave, abandon the planet, seek lighter worlds, become interstellar nomads, haunted by the place that shaped us. Earth wouldn't be unlivable, just unforgiving. Outro. Dramatic score rises as Earth spins under immense gravity, clouds churning violently. So what if Earth was 10 times more massive? Gravity would rule, time would warp, life would adapt, or collapse. We'd learn that mass isn't just weight, it's destiny.